Hey guys, it's your homeboy, the one and only Great Dane. So today I'm going to be making a quick video on how to beat the new city Rampage in Brawl Stars. So for those of you that don't know, on Thursday the update was released even though the new season isn't out, and it is the Summer of Monsters, so they released the new Robo City Rumble Rampage mode here. So basically, there's this dinosaur robot monster that tries to destroy the city, and you have to stop him. So for those of you who haven't watched or tried the mode yourself, how it works is the monster is either destroying the city or attacking your players. And you lose by either having the whole city destroyed or all of your players die at the same time. There are respawns though, you just gotta be careful not to die in a quick period of time. So the monster starts attacking your players once he becomes angry. I'm not sure how it determines that. As far as I can tell, it's just random, but you definitely don't want to be around him when he is angry because he attacks faster, and it's a lot more likely he's going to kill your teammates because he also moves faster. You usually want to end up just jumping away like I did there. So if you do want to beat this mode on Insane, what you want to do is it really stands for the other modes, boss fights in Brawl Stars as well. You really just want to stick to high DPS or damage per second characters like 8-bit. And I think where I got really lucky here is that both of my random teammates happen to be using bow. And the stun effect that the maxed out bow there for stalling for time helps an incredible amount. Especially when he's just getting bounced around and just being stuck there. And it also helps that 8-bit has an increased damage booster. Because you gotta remember again, you're really just trying to kill the monster as quickly as you can. So, again, I'm just trying to make an easy video because, again, happy July 4th. Though I haven't said it yet. But I just wanted to make an easy video for today. So as you can see, the monster did even still get pretty close to destroying the city, though both of, or at least I don't believe Chico was maxed out on the brawler he was using, so we probably could have killed it a little faster if he was. But I think 2 bows and an 8-bit is a really good strategy if you have friends who play this game and you want to try defeating this mode or you're having difficulty with randoms. But thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day.